Take much time. This meeting of ours is very crucial, especially for you people. This is your first day into this life. You are connecting, today you are getting connected with the first #1 bar council in the entire country, that is Bar Council Punjab and Haryana. You should be proud of this. Yeah. I'll try to speak some things which invoke true claps from you. See, basically, I endorse the views shared by the previous speakers, Jagat Yadav ji, and modified and improved by other speakers. See, I just formulated it. If you want to note it down, then you can note it down. It will help you in entire your career. See, the basic formula is rice. चावल का दाना होता है rice. Rice to rice. Now, what is rice? R. R stands for, as Amit Rana ji has told you, and other speakers also, R stands for respect. This is one profession, and mark my words, this is one profession in which you can't succeed if you won't respect your elders. They're constantly judging you. If you won't respect them, you won't go further. Then secondly, I. I is integrity. See, just integrity means just two things basically. See, don't cheat your client and don't cheat the court. You may win a case in a court by cheating a judge, but you will lose judge subsequently. So don't cheat client, don't cheat your court. See, just 2 days back, we have attended a function in Bar Council of India in Delhi. There, Justice Supreme Court Judge Kurian Joseph ji has said one thing very beautifully, that in this profession, either you become a good advocate or you go into judiciary, become judge. Two things are very relevant. First is knowledge, and it's knowledge about law, and second is integrity. Knowledge portion can be little less, but in the terms of integrity, it has to be highest. So, mark my words, as especially said by the speaker, there is no shortcut. Then comes C. C has three things. Firstly, confidence. Second, commitment, and third, courage. See, confidence comes from two things. Some people are born with it. Now, if you want to practice or if you want to become judge, you have to have confidence. Confidence is required in every field. But in this field, the confidence comes from knowledge, mastery of the facts. Whenever you go and appear in some court, you don't have the knowledge of the case, you don't have the knowledge of the act, then how will you perform in the court? So knowledge comes from knowledge also. Confidence comes from knowledge also. So basically, then commitment. Commitment is in every field, similar is in the law field. If you commit something to your client, then please don't cheat. Please don't break that commitment. It is very necessary. It is your commitment only that will take you further higher in this field, as word of mouth from one person to one person, other person, it goes down. Then third is the courage, and especially courage is very relevant here. Courage means if you want to see few initial years, first 5 years, which are very crucial and very hard for you people, young entrants, especially for those persons, those whose parents are not advocates. I see, especially to parents, I request, who are sitting over here, see, first 5 years, there is an urgent financial need of the advocates, first 5 years, to please support them, financially as well as mentally, morally, as you always do. See, to you people, I must say, see, first 5 years are very hard. If you will cross these 5 years successfully, then nobody can stop you from gaining marks. I am enrolled in 2010 only, just 6 years back. So, एक थोड़ा सा वो शेर भी है, वकीलों के लिए है खासकर, बेसिकली, कि जब हौसला कर लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, तो कर देखना फिजूल है आसमान का। आप ये सोचना ही बंद कर दो। आप बिल्कुल हौसले से ये प्रैक्टिस पूरी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करो, तो आई एम श्योर, आई एम अ कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर. I have done my MBA. My CAT percentile was 99.33. I could have gone in some corporate world, but believe in me, no field is better than the field of law. No field. Nobody can even match it. See, then comes then E. What is E? E is excellence. Now, if you will apply all these things in your career, you will achieve excellence. And as aptly said by one speaker, Javid Yadavji, run after excellence, don't run after money. As is well said by Rancho in some movie, if you will run after excellence, money will run after you. So, and just adding two things to it, this profession takes heavy toll on your health. So please, from beginning, make a habit, do rest, live a disciplined life. So it takes please take care of your health in this profession. It takes heavy toll on mentally as well as physically. So apart from this, I must say, C. Munjalji and other speakers has told you how much relevant part you become of the society when you become an advocate. See, I was just checking my Facebook and there is one quote coming. I can't help myself telling it to you guys. In that, there was, सैकड़ों समझदार लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, सैकड़ों लोग समझदार मिलते हैं, काम के लोग बड़े चंद मिलते हैं, मुसीबत की घड़ी जब आती है तो वकील के अलावा बाकी सबके दरवाजे बंद मिलते हैं. So it will be right. When you become advocate, you become basically problem solver of the people, and also you will be very helpful in disseminating justice to the people. People will see you like you are justice provider. See, your role is very important in society. Now, as regarding professional misconduct, as previous speaker has said, that bar council members like us, we have one more duty apart from regulating your entry into this profession. We regulate your professional conduct. See, just few days back, in a function in Ranchi, Chief Justice of India, Shri T.S. Thakurji has actually said, be ruthless. They have said to the bar councils all over India, be ruthless. Throw out those persons out of legal profession who are bringing disrepute. So my humble request to you is that please don't involve in any kind of professional misconduct. Otherwise we have to take action. So please follow all the victims. Then, last but not the least, today it's a very memorable day for you. You are getting license from the hands of Honorable Chief Justice Daya Chaudhary ji. See, many speakers have said many things, and I'm sure ma'am will describe much more. Before, I must say, she is first in everything in which she goes. Like, I want to add one more thing. Ma'am is also first girl child from her village to complete 10th. First girl from all village to complete 10th from the school of village. She has done first, then first female president, as said by Pratap Singh and other speakers, female president of High Court Bar Association. Then first female judge in the entire history, 90 years, of Punjab and Haryana High Court, including Lahore Court, which was earlier part. Then she is the first Assistant Solicitor General. First time post was created, and first time ma'am has become Assistant Solicitor General. So there are many firsts and many more to come, ma'am, in your life. So without taking much long, now I tell you just a brief history of ma'am. Her Lordship was born on 10th of January 1959 in village Bahim district, Palwal. Her Lordship passed her matriculation examination from Government Girls Secondary School, Palwal in the year 1974 and graduated in arts from IC Government College for Women, Rohtak in the year 1978. Her Lordship did post-graduation from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra in the year 1980. Ma'am, I was born in 1980. And LLB from Punjab University, Chandigarh in the year 1985. Her Lordship has also to her credit PG Diploma in Personal Management and Labour Welfare and PG Diploma in Public Relations. She was enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh in the year 1987 and started practice in Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh. Her Lordship specialized in constitutional, civil, criminal and tax. Her Lordship remained as President of Punjab Haryana High Court Bar Association in the year 1999-2000 and earned the distinction of being first woman president ever respected. She also held the coveted post of Senior Central Government Standing Counsel, Assistant Solicitor General of India in Punjab Haryana High Court. She was designated as a senior advocate on 26th of April 2000, another first, by Punjab Haryana High Court, and had credit of being the only senior designated woman lawyer in the High Court. During her tenure as an advocate, she held a number of high offices. Was member committee on sexual harassment against women in High Court, Vice Chairperson Haryana State Social Advisory Board member, member of State Telephone Advisory Committee, member of Punjab and Haryana State Legal Services Authority, member Administrators Advisory Council Chandigarh, and non-official member of Central Jail Budel. Her Lordship has also been Special Public Prosecutor CBI and member Counselling Centre Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh. Besides this, Her Lordship has also been doing social work for the welfare of poor, downtrodden women at large. Her Lordship was elevated as Judge of Punjab and High Court, Chandigarh on December 5, 2007, and she is the first woman lawyer to be elevated as High Court Judge in the Punjab and High Court. So I guess today is a very big day for all of us. Ma'am is here. Let's have a huge round of applause and kindly standing ovation for the lady. Kindly stand on your seat. Now there should be huge round. Ma'am, please have a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being here. Now I request Pradeep ji. Today is also a very big day for Bar Council. The roadmap which Mr. Pravesh Yadav ji was telling about. Today we have brought Bar Council one more step closer to you guys. In the modern times, I request ma'am to launch the app of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana. Ma'am, please kindly. I should click on. Pradeep ji, assist kariye. क्या हुआ? Now, Pradeep ji, kindly show the forms. You people can always download the different kind of forms from this app only. You can find this app simply from Play Store. Kindly go to the home page and there is a list of members whom you want to contact. There is also all the forms are available on it. You can download it rightly if you open it in your computers. See, nation or any organization is not built in one day. Now, first one is distribution form, enrollment form, death claim form, any form, I-card form, anything, whatever is required. Certification forms are going on these days, certification drive. It is also available in this app. So, thank you ma'am for launching this app. It's a very big step for the Bar Council. Now, as Pravesh Yadav ji has told you about the roadmap, see there are basically three things which we are about to do. Apart from providing legal training to the young advocates, now I am very gladly I announce the opening of third continuing legal education academy for existing advocates like you people in the country. And just this coming month, at the hands of some Supreme Court judges, first continuing legal education academy as well as Law College of Bar Council itself. It will impart almost 50 plus diplomas in various things. Now, apart from that, we are also bringing group housing society for the young advocates like you in the vicinity of Tri-City itself, especially to solve the residential problems which advocates are facing many times. Now, not taking much time, I guess I must invite Honorable Justice Daya Chaudhary ji to come on stage and impart valuable guidance to the young entrants. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.